Welcome to Study Loop.
To solve this problem, let us calculate the value of P first. As we know that P is equal to nRT by V, which is equal to zero point 0.1 multiplication 8.314 multiplication 10 to the power minus 2 multiplication 298 by 1, that is equal to 2.47 bar. Now I can calculate the value of VRMS as it is equal to under root 3RT by M, which is equal to under root 3 multiplication 8.314 multiplication 298 by 16.04 multiplication 10 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 680.72 meter per second. Now I will calculate the value of lambda. So here I can write the number of moles of CH4 is equal to n small n, which is equal to moles multiplication, moles is given as 0.1 multiplication 6.022 multiplication 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 6.022 multiplication 10 to the power 22. Now lambda is equal to RT by under root 2 pi sigma square NNP, which is equal to 8.314 multiplication 10 to the power minus 5 multiplication 297.15 by under root 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 0.38 multiplication 10 to the power minus 9 square multiplication 6.022 multiplication 10 to the power 22 multiplication 2.47. Finally, you will get this value as 64.819819 multiplication 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now collision frequency is given by it is equal to VRMS by lambda, that is equal to 680.72 by 64.819 multiplication 10 to the power minus 9. So answer will be equal to 1.05 multiplication 10 to the power 10 per second. I hope you understand it.